Hello, my wonderful friends. I welcome you once again to Buchi Online Maths. Today, we have this question that says we should find the value of x which satisfies the equation x minus square root of x minus 2 equals 0. To solve this problem, let us move square root of x from left hand side to the right hand side of this equation. And remember, this is negative sign. When it moves across the equality sign to this other side, it changes to positive. Therefore, we will have x minus 2, we are moving this to this other side, equals 0 plus square root of x. Okay. And you know that 0 plus square root of x is the same thing as square root of x. So we will have x minus 2 equals square root of x. And now that we have done this, next thing is to try and remove this square root from x. And to do that, we normally take the opposite of square root, which is square. Okay? Now we are going to take the square of both sides. So this will be x minus 2 in bracket, then we square it, equals root of x, we also square it. So that square will eliminate square root, and we are left with x minus 2 equals x. And x minus 2 all raised to power 2 is the same thing as x minus 2 in two places, x minus 2. Okay? Everything equals x because of this square. Okay, now let's remove the brackets. X multiply x will give us x squared. X multiply minus 2x will give us 2x. Minus 2 multiply x will give us another minus 2x. Then minus 2 multiply minus 2. Remember, minus multiply minus will give us plus. 2 multiply 2 will give us 4. Everything equals x. Now, next thing now is to collect like terms. There is no term in x squared, so we bring down x squared. Then here we have x. This x will come to the left hand side. The sign will change from positive to negative. That means we will have minus 2x minus 2x. Then bringing this to this side will be minus x. Okay. Then plus 14 plus 4, equals 0. Okay. This will give us x squared minus 2x minus 2x is minus 4x. Minus 4x minus x will give us minus 5x. Then plus 4 equals 0. Now you see that this is now a quadratic equation. That means let us see if we can factorize this quadratic equation. To factorize this quadratic equation, we are going to look for two numbers such that when we multiply the numbers, they will give us plus 4. And when we add the numbers, they will give us minus 5. Now the numbers should be minus 4 and minus 1. Let's look at these two numbers. You know, minus 4 multiplied by minus 1 will give us plus 4. Okay? Because minus multiply minus will give us plus. So that's why we have plus 4. 4 times 1 is 4. At the same time, when we add them up, minus 4 plus minus 1. Remember, plus minus is minus. So this is the same thing as minus 5. Okay? Okay, so here, coming to this quadratic equation, we will have x squared. Instead of putting down minus 5x, we are going to put minus 4x, then minus 1 becomes minus x, okay? Then plus 4 equals 0. Next thing now will be to group them in brackets. So let's group them. This is how to factorize, okay? In case you don't know how to factorize, please watch my previous videos on factorization of quadratic equation. Okay, each of these brackets contains common factors. Let's factorize them. X is common in the first bracket. We bring down x, open the bracket. X squared divided by x will give you x, minus x divided x is gone, so we are left with 4. Okay, then we put minus. In the second bracket, there is no common factor, but 1 is common. That means we bring out 1 and put down x. Minus will affect plus inside the bracket to change it to minus. So we have minus 4 equals 0. Now you see that these two brackets are the same. Okay, so to solve this, let's continue from here. Since each of these brackets are the same, let's bring down one of them. Okay, x minus 4. Then we group x and minus 1 in another bracket, and everything equals 0. Okay, now that two brackets equal 0, that means each of them is equal to 0. Okay, so when we say when x minus 4, that's the first bracket, equals 0, therefore move minus 4 to this side, it becomes x equals plus 4. So this is the first value of x. Now let's consider when x equals minus 1. Sorry, when minus 1 equals 0, therefore x will be, move minus 1 to this side, will change to plus 1. Okay, so we have two values of x. First one is 4, second one is 1. But we are asked to find the value of x which satisfies the equation. Now let us test which one satisfies this equation. When x is 4, let's go to this question and fixing the value of x to see if we will get 0 at the end of the day. Okay, to check our result, when x is 4, from this equation that says, this is the main equation given to us, okay? Now when x is 4, we have 4 minus square root of 4 minus 2 equals 0. 4 square root of 4 is 2, okay? Equals 0. So let's see if this will be equal to 0. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. That means x equals to 4 is the value of x that satisfies the equation. Thank you for watching. Please do not forget, this is Buchi Online Maths. Kindly visit my Facebook page, Buchi Online Maths. Like and follow my page. Share my videos after watching it. Also on YouTube, Buchi Online Maths. Please subscribe, watch, and share my videos. Thank you, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.